About this item, processor: the Intel Celeron N4500 is a 2-core processor featuring a base clock speed of 1.1 GHz, with the capability to boost up to 2.8 GHz for efficient performance. RAM and storage: maximize your productivity with up to 32 GB of RAM for seamless multitasking and up to 2 TB of storage, providing ample capacity to accommodate all your work needs. Display and audio: the device features a 15.6-inch diagonal Full HD 1920 by 1080 TN display with an anti-glare finish, providing 250 nits of brightness. It is equipped with stereo speakers, 1.5W x 2, with Dolby Audio. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro. 64-bit offers a user-friendly interface, enhanced security features, and improved performance, making it ideal for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. Accessory: your device includes a WOWPC recovery USB, designed to enhance your troubleshooting experience with greater convenience. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.